Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Buckle up, because Bitcoin's breaking new records and making big waves. Today, we're diving into the latest on Bitcoin ETFs and whether we could be on the path to $100,000. Let's get right into it. Record-breaking volume for Blackrock ETF as Bitcoin surges to new all-time highs. Source: Bitcoin.com. Bitcoin has been hitting new all-time highs day after day, and Bitcoin ETFs are experiencing a similar surge, with fresh capital flowing in at a remarkable pace. The biggest winner so far, BlackRock's IBIT EFT, which saw an unprecedented $4.5 billion in daily trading volume on November 11th. This data, shared by Bloomberg's senior ETF analyst, Eric Balchunas, reflects a massive appetite for Bitcoin investment products. Last week, BlackRock's ETF also set a single-day record with $1.12 billion in new inflows. Looking at the broader market, the total net assets of Bitcoin ETFs have reached an astounding $90.6 billion. According to data from sosovalue, this equates to approximately 5.27% of Bitcoin's entire market cap, a clear sign of how pivotal ETFs have become in today's crypto landscape. So, could Bitcoin be on its way to that magical $100,000 mark? With momentum this strong, some analysts are saying it's possible. The current euphoria in the market, fueled by factors like Donald Trump's recent presidential victory, shows no signs of cooling. As institutional and retail investors alike pour more capital into Bitcoin ETFs, a $100,000 target doesn't seem out of reach. As Bitcoin continues its meteoric rise, all eyes are on ETF volumes, which could be an early indicator of whether this rally has enough fuel to hit six figures. With record-breaking trading and inflows, the question on everyone's mind is, how high can Bitcoin really go? I want to improve myself. Please support me, my loves. Yes, my dear viewers, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, please. And now, let's move on to our second story. Bitcoin's market movements continue at full speed. So, what's happening as Bitcoin sets its sights on $90,000? Let's dive into the details. Bitcoin market update. BTC eyes $90,000, with strong support at $84,000. Source: Bitcoin.com. Bitcoin is holding steady near its recent highs, but the $90,000 psychological resistance could prompt either a consolidation phase or a potential pullback as sellers begin to emerge. On the daily chart, Bitcoin's bullish momentum shines, with prices surging from around $60,000 to a peak near $90,000. This impressive gain underscores ongoing demand. However, the latest daily candle shows a large red body, signaling a possible pullback. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is overbought at 79, a classic sign that buying momentum might be cooling off. As Bitcoin hovers around $90,000, a short-term consolidation or correction might be in play. Zooming in on the 4-hour chart, we see Bitcoin's bullish pattern with consistent higher highs and higher lows. After reaching a resistance level of $89,983, a sharp red candle formed, indicating selling pressure at this level. The stochastic oscillator sits at 92, further reinforcing a sell signal. Volume data also shows increased activity on these red candles, possibly signaling a shift from bullish to cautious sentiment. The 1-hour chart reveals short-term volatility after Bitcoin's peak, with prices correcting and then stabilizing around $86,000, an emerging support level. The moving average convergence divergence (MACD) level presents a buy signal at 4,581, hinting at potential continuation of the broader trend. However, the average directional index (ADX) remains neutral at 32, suggesting that momentum might not be strong enough for a major upward move without further consolidation. Key support and resistance levels are coming into focus. Immediate support is at $86,000, while the next major support level appears on the daily chart around $80,000, marking a previous breakout zone. Resistance remains firm at $89,983, and the $90,000 level stands as a significant psychological barrier. A breakout above these levels with strong volume could signal a bullish continuation, while failure to breach resistance may lead to short-term consolidation. eToro's lead market analyst, Simon Peters, shared with our news desk that with Bitcoin reaching all-time highs, we're officially in price discovery, so where this rally's peak will end is anyone's guess. CryptoQuant CEO Ki-Young Ju added that Bitcoin has just entered the price discovery phase, cautioning that the market could see increased volatility soon. He noted on X, Bitcoin's market is getting more volatile. In the price discovery phase, order books are typically thin, as there's no consensus on support and resistance levels. As Bitcoin eyes that $90,000 mark, traders are watching closely to see if this rally has the momentum to push it even higher, or if the market might take a breather before the next big move. Could this be a step on the path to $100,000? Only time will tell, but all signs point to an exciting ride ahead.